Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you will hear many ogbonge news where they come out for you. Thank you and God bless you. My people, another one don't happen again. Another one, it don't happen again, my people. You know, before I be this saying John Thomas, now that they shook for because before. Now, I can't say not be John Thomas again. I know say with this see some people that say that they use fake rubber John Thomas. Some say that they use rubber one. Some say that they use all those fake one. Now bottle. Now some people can say they use now bottle. When I see my people, I shocktalize. I say, bottle, not be even cassava again. Nah, bottle. When I see my people, I tire. What take on the apple for this world now, my people? Eh? So, cassava don't finish now for everywhere now. One Igbo girl begin to teach people how they use a bottle. Say a bottle better pass now. This girl should come for a side bekus bottle. No, all those star bottle now. We be say the big small. And this girl should for side bekus. But bekus where that kind of bottle don't enter, my people. What do I expect? Bekus where that kind of bottle don't enter, my people. When I see am, I shocktalize. What take on the apple for this world, my people? What take on the apple? We be saying a bottle now. Now we may consider use now. Mona not listen to this girl. Mona not because I believe say she not dey okay. Because person wey dey okay, not go sit down, eat belly full. Say na a bottle. Now everyone come to teach fellow women. Make they shook for body. Like seriously, my people. Like seriously. Eh? Bottle now they come to shook now. When I see am, I tire. What's it going to happen for this world? Is this world coming to an end? I don't understand. How can the normal human being go just sit down, sit in a bottle? Sit in a bottle you want to shook for side because. If you need the video, I can private chatting because that video I don't feel put on for YouTube. My people. When I see the video, I shocktalize 10 times. Like, seriously. Bottle. Now, normal human being now. They shook for a side. Bekus before they do one. For to enjoy yourself. To see, enjoy yourself with your husband. All those things. This one that come to shook the very different things for inside there now. This kind of one now, when they carry bottle now, my people. What do I expect? Una expect say this kind one now say if you go see get even though they follow man now only one man this one will follow only one man. Not be go the shook anything shook professor bekus. Hey my people, what it can the happen for this world? This world does spoil. It does spoil, my people. It does spoil. The one where our people dey na me I don't understand. How can they be? That is the one when they even disappear. They'll just wake up in the morning, begin the reason what they want to do. I'll be waiting. They'll just wake up, say, what I want to do now. We'll begin the carry bottle, the shook for side because. He say, want to teach people how to use bottle, the shook for side because. For now, see me, una go shocktalize. Una go shocktalize, my people. So now, one Igbo woman, now they do this one now. More than all listening to them, because I believe say this one not they okay. Because a normal human being where they okay. Not go advise the fellow women. Say maybe they carry bottle, they shook for side bekus. Bottle. My people. What it call the apple? What did they play? What it call the apple, my people? The other one, that one just carry the other girl. That one too they carry John Thomas. Single just the jogodo many men just the small girl. Many men food there. This small girl go just one finish, another one go enter. One finish, another one go enter. Small girl we get small body. I was like, what's it gonna happen? What did they happen really? Una sure say those people they okay. Una sure. They go just sit down, say that is that one just that the small girl go just lie down. After one finish, another one go enter. Another one finish, another one go enter. Only she with many girls for her house. What they happen for this world? This world, the one comes to an end. I be waiting. I don't understand really. Like seriously, I don't really understand. Eh? This world does spoil. It does spoil. Now you can imagine that somebody just sit down, say in a bottle, like good now for because not be even John Thomas again. Say na bottle come good now. Person where they think where they okay go even reason that kind of thing, my people. It go reason now. When normal human be just sit down, say na bottle na good now. My people, this world does spoil. It does spoil. Eh? The thing, if you just see some kind of thing, people could just say that mama do and I'll say the thing tire me. I could just the reason and say, God, these people they okay. How can a normal human being go just sit down, say na bottle, na go to the shook for say because bottle. No be even John Thomas again. Na bottle come good now. Now wow. Now wow for Wire Road. Now wow really. A woman just sit down, go say, what thing you want to do now? May don't finish for her side. John Thomas not fool everywhere. You not can say man way toast you. When you can sit down, say na bottle, na it come good now. Does it mean say you not can like see man way come talk to you and be waiting? When you can say na John Thomas, na it come good to choke for inside your because. Like seriously? Like seriously? Now wow, my people. Now wow for Wire Road. I beg our girls where they come now. Mona not listen to this Sibo woman. Mona not listen to her. I believe say she not dey okay. Oh. She not dey okay. Oh. Person where they okay. Not go just sit down. Say na but you want to show for a beku so. You not go sit down. Oh. Say na bottle. Mona just reason and say she not dey okay. Mona reason and say some nuts come up for her head. Because somebody where they okay, no go they reason this kind of thing. You know go they reason now. Like seriously. Eh? My people are beg. I just got a beg now. Mona not listening to her. You see, all those our youngest of nowadays, I beg. Mona just reason and say she not dey okay. Mona reason and say she not dey okay. Because person when they okay. Don't go just sit down. See what you want to do now. Say you want to carry bottle. Begin to choke for it. Because so one reason I say this person not dey okay. One reason like that I beg my people. I say I can't tell now. Me when I see here another one again. Say another one it don't happen again. Another one don't shell again. Don't shell. I beg anybody will see this video, make it help me share am. Share am, make it follow everywhere. So that who hear will tell who never hear. Because what is the happen now for this world now? We don't understand again. We don't understand again. This one passed Joromio. This one he passed Samba. I don't know where they go now, my people. Really. My lovely people. I beg. If man the young grown and mona carry. Instead, we say na bottle. We want to choke with that because but we never born. We never born. Never see anything for life because na bottle want to start. I beg go. Mona not listen to this Igbo woman. Oh, I use God to beg on my people. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Till I come your way next time again, I remain your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put any video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you, everybody. Take care and always put thumbs up for me anytime you watch my video. And if you need a video, you can private chat me. You can add me on WhatsApp. My number is there on my YouTube. You can add me on WhatsApp. Then I will send a video for you. Thank you. Bye, everybody. Bye.